Hi there, students. To enumerate, a verb, a formal verb. Enumeration, the noun. Okay, to enumerate means to name things separately, one by one. So the teacher enumerated the different ways that we could use this word. He went through them one by one, going through all of them. The insurance policy has various different benefits, and he enumerated the benefits one by one. He told us each of them. So going through the things on a list, or not on a list, but all of them one by one. The salesman enumerated the benefits of buying his product. Yeah. Okay, so to mention a number of things, but all of them one by one. So, yeah, the literature teacher over the year enumerated all of the works by Shakespeare to set out, to itemize, to almost to catalogue. Okay, so to enumerate, to specify one after another. He talked about his friends and he enumerated each of their qualities, both good and bad. So he went through all of it. Yeah, if you enumerate something, you go through it in detail, piece by piece, making sure that the person understands exactly what this means, or what it means, and what each of the specific things mean. Let's see, you can also use enumerate very, very formally to mean to count, to find the number of, but that I think is very formal and I don't think it's very, very common. Okay, but to enumerate. So I like to try to enumerate all the different meanings of a word. The negotiation started by each side enumerating what things they needed, or what things that they would like to go away from the negotiation with. I thought it was a brilliant plan, but then he enumerated the flaws in the plan, the problems. He enumerated them one by one. He itemized them. Yeah, he recited them. Yeah, he went through them one at a time. Yeah, when she left me, she enumerated the reasons why I was a terrible person. Yeah, okay, to go through them one by one and individually. Yeah, so yeah, please don't enumerate my faults. I know I'm lazy and I'm difficult, but don't enumerate them. Don't go through them one by one by one. Okay, so that's the idea of this verb to enumerate. This is a formal word. I mean, I think informally I would say to go through something. Yeah, so, well, I think enumerate only has two different meanings: to give a list of, or to count. Yeah, so a formal word, 6.5 informality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, just about. A semi-formal or formal writing would sound much better. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, from enumeratus or enumero, to count out. Yeah, to sum up, to reckon up, to count the number of something. So there you go, to enumerate. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Enumerate.